Okay, hello everybody from sunny France. I've put some clothes on for you. I didn't think a bikini shot was needed. So we're going to do this for Sue today, who's woken up with bad shoulders and bad neck. So let's first of all start with the usual little bit of a twist. So just very gently coming round, loosening up that spine all the way up and tapping on your shoulders. Let's have a bit of tapping going on, that's very important. Just feeling that spine all the way up and all the way down. And when you're ready, taking that foot off the floor. When you're sure the twist is all right. If it isn't, then just take it down a little bit. You know, you work within your own limits, so maybe this is your twist today. Twisting the whole body, turn the whole body, turn your head when you feel comfortable. Turn your eyes, take your eyes all the way around. I'm sorry I've got sunglasses on, it's really bright here. And taking these arms out, start to really relax, let it all out, shake it out. You want a nice floppy body. Try and feel, where's that tension? The whole body is connected. So if you have a bad neck, it could be related to other things, but even if the bad neck is the start of it, it's going to travel down. So what we're doing now is we're just loosening it all up. So keep going. Nice. Turn. Really feel this. Interestingly, because I've been sat around a lot, I suddenly had quite severe lower back pain. And I've been swimming for longer, and I've been doing yin yoga because it's really too hot to be moving around too much. So I think I posted me doing some yin yoga. Backache's gone now. My body needs to move. So maybe yours does as well. So keep going. Let's have this. Swinging those arms. Try and feel those hips. Tending your attention now to your hips. Might help you to take your hands on. Twist a little bit further. Don't worry about your neck yet. This is just twisting. You're pumping that spinal fluid. Pumping it back up. And then how about one of these little, raise that hand up. Now if your neck's really stiff, you might only get your hands up this high. That's fine. Your shoulders, we want to loosen those shoulders. So you know this one. Up, back, down, forward. Up, back, down and forward. Let's have some of these. Get those shoulders moving. Try and get them going in a nice circle. And reverse it. Back, up, down and forward. Back, up, down. Back, up, forward. Keep going. Try and get those smoothing round. Imagine you can hold your block or imagine you're holding something. And then let's have a few nice big circles. So just very gently, you're not trying to win a competition, just loosening those shoulders, get the blood going. As Leslie said in her text, you're going to squeeze that neck, but you're squeezing those shoulders deep inside. Keep going. It's about 32 today, I think, but we've got a nice wind, so it's much more bearable. I'm not great in the heat. So, forward. Give yourself a hug and a tap. See what I'm doing with those shoulders, moving them backwards and forwards. Master of the house just arriving in the background. I don't know if you can see him. Doing a bit of maintenance. You know what farming's like. So give that a nice shake. Come on, shake those all out. Bend those knees. You don't want anything too static. Bending those knees. Round. Okay, so while we're talking about the knees, let's have a little bit of lifting. Add a bit of a twist. Breathing nice and slowly. And then those hips. You can do this all longer than I'm doing. I'm just giving you a few ideas. Right, round we go, and round again. I don't know what the weather's like in the UK. Hopefully you're getting out and about, and it might be you're doing a bit too much lifting. Come on now, sideways. Slide that hand down. Have a little stretch of that neck. Can you feel that in there? And the other side. Okay, now we're going to squeeze that neck. Give it a nice squeeze. Squeeze around. You've got somebody in the house that can help you. Ask them for a bit of a neck massage. Squeeze those shoulders. Squeeze them. You've got the blood flowing now. So squeezing them will help to squeeze in the blood, squeeze out. That's what you're doing with that. Imagine that blood. It's coming in and coming out. And then remember this, chin to chest. Very gently take your chin to your right hand shoulder. If that's okay, come back. Take it to the left. And just halfway. As far as you can go, you're just stretching that muscle out gently. If that feels okay, or when you've been doing it for a few minutes, maybe say 5 minutes, then take it to the back. And then take it over. Take this ear to this shoulder, but don't lift this shoulder up. You want to keep the shoulder down, you're moving the head. Now, if that's comfortable, you could place your hand and just stretch it out a little bit further. You can take this hand out, feel that stretch. And on the other side. You're going to take that ear to that shoulder and then add a little bit of a stretch. So, taking that to the back. See if you can roll it to the back. Round. I'll turn round this side. Hopefully you can hear me. Round. And then, if that all feels okay, manageable. I'm not saying it's going to be perfect. Just do what you can within your own body. And then take it all the way round. 6 of those, 10 of those, I don't know how many you can do. Reverse it round the other way. And then when you've done 6 on both sides or 10 on both sides, lift these shoulders up, take them back and down. Up, back and down. You can't see my shoulder blades, but I'm trying to lift those shoulder blades, take them back and squeeze the shoulder blades together. And then what you could do, if that's feeling comfortable, standing in your mountain pose, take your whole body in a circle and then add that neck in. Keep your body still, move your neck. Imagine you've got a teacup on your head with a ball inside it. You're going to spin that. Can you imagine that? You're spinning that cup on your neck. So you're moving your neck round and round on top of the spine, moving it round and round like that. When you've done that, say 10 times in both directions. Give it a shake. Shake it all out. Be careful if you're shaking. I don't want you to jar it. I don't want you to go silly. But you know, shaking is really good. Have a nice shake. Twisting around again. See how that feels. Let me know how you get on. With lots of love. I'll do some more. Send me your ideas and I'll do what I can. Bye.